welcome to our YouTube channel, Andrew's Vlog. So today guys, I'm gonna cook chicken curry for my family. So yan po ang aming ulam for tonight. So let's go and start it! So for the ingredients, I use 1 potato. So I already cut into small pieces. 2 carrots. So hiniwa ko na siya into small pieces as well. Red bell pepper, cut into small pieces as well. 2 stalks of lemongrass cut into small pieces, or you can use as well yung sa jar lang na already cut. White onion, so cut into small pieces, or you can use as well or pwede nyo rin gumamit ng red onion. Ginger, so yung sa ginger, you can estimate like yung kung gaano karami po ng onions, cut into small pieces. And I use 1 can of coconut milk. So you can use any brand of coconut milk. So this is 400 ml. So this is equivalent of 2 cups of coconut milk. And of course, yellow curry paste or any curry paste, or bahala kayo kung anong curry paste na gusto nyo. This is just to add flavor. So this is made of I think this is made of product of Thailand, or you can use any brand of curry paste. So ito na guys, nagpainit po ko ng oil sa pan. So medyo mainit na siya. So first, lagay ko po to siya yung potato. Ipa-fry ko muna yung potato, just fry the potato 2 to 3 minutes, no, until golden brown. So tapos i-separate ko to siya. So yan guys, after 2 to 3 minutes, as you can see, medyo golden brown na siya. Eh, lagay natin yung carrots, no? Ihalo ko na kasi mabilis naman to yung carrots na mag-soften with it. So halo lang siya. So just antay lang po ng mga maybe another 2 minutes. So yan guys, yung carrot at saka yung potato, medyo crispy na siya, medyo golden brown na. So i-set aside po natin siya. So tapos mamaya ibalik ko to siya, no, para siya, hindi siya ma-overcook. And then igisa natin later on yung mga ingredients, yung bawang, at saka yung lemongrass. Maganda siya kasi iunahin ito i-fry. It's good to fry this one first para siya, yung alam mo yun, parang crispy siya, hindi siya overcook, no? Tingnan nyo na, as you can see. So mas maganda pag nagluto like ng mga kaldereta or dinudo or whatever na may potato at saka carrots, mas maganda siya na i-fry siya muna tapos i-set aside siya. So ito na, i-set aside ko to siya and then lagay ko to siya later on. So mainit ang kawali. So first, I'm gonna unahin ko siya, i-fry ko po ang onion. So fry yung onion. Yan, fry mo lang siya in a few seconds and then i-add natin later on yung ginger. Yan, medyo mabango na, medyo na lumalabas na yung bango ng onion, and then lagay po natin yung ginger. Yan, and then fry with it maybe 1 minute. No, and until lalabas yung aroma ng ginger. And then we can put next what you call that, yung lemongrass. So yan na guys. So ilagay ko na po yung lemongrass. Maganda pag nag-cook ka ng curry may lemongrass. So but well, it's up to you. You can use as well kung wala kayo may makita na lemongrass, you can use as well sa jar yung na already chopped na. So, gisa lang ng konti in a few seconds. And then, later on, ilagay natin yung manok. So, ito na guys, lagay ko yung manok. So, yung ginamit ko po yung manok, yung skinless po siya, boneless na chicken. So, you can use as well any chicken. So, it's up to you, no, kung anong type of chicken na gagamitin nyo. Nibbles, thigh, or whatever parts ng chicken. So, gisa lang ng konti. So, halo. So, takpan ko to siya. So, you just steam or just wait for probably like 15 to 20 minutes until the chicken will cook. So, I just wait for 15 to 20 minutes until this one it's gonna cook, and then I'm gonna put some other ingredients. So, yan guys. Haluin lang po ng konti ang chicken, no, para so it won't stick sa ilalim. So, in a few minutes, ilagay natin yung other ingredients as well. So, yan. So, it smells good na, no, kasi lumalabas yung amoy ng lemongrass at saka ginger. So, ibalik natin uli ang takip, and then later on, balikan natin. So, yan guys, after 15 to 20 minutes, lagay po natin yung coconut milk. So, you can use other brand as well. So, syempre, pag sa curry, hindi mawala yung milk, no? What I mean is coconut milk, kasi yun po ang nag-a-add ng flavor. So, haluin po ng konti. And then, maglagay po ako ng curry paste. So, ito po siya, curry paste. So, as I said before, you can use as well like green curry. So, estimate lang yan po siya guys. Tinikman ko to po siya konti. So, konti lang po ang nilagay ko kasi medyo maanghang. So, mahilig naman kami sa maanghang pero not really na maanghang. So, yan. So, depende po sa inyo kung mahilig kayo sa maanghang, you can add more curry paste, no, or other green curry paste. So, by the way guys, nakalimutan ko pala kanina introduce, of course, dapat pala may curry, so curry powder. So, I'm gonna put like, I'm gonna put 2 teaspoon ng curry powder. So, sprinkle ko lang siya. Nakalimutan ko pala kanina na mag-introduce ng ingredients ng curry powder. So, sorry for that. So, 2. Yan. And then, halo po siya ng konti. So, sa pagluto guys ng curry, so adjust nyo po ang heat. So, not really high, no, yung apoy kasi baka ma-overcook siya. So, halo lang po ng konti. I-mix po ng konti. And then, maglagay po ako ng konting tumeric. No, sana ba yung teaspoon ko? So, konti lang guys. So, you can estimate, no? So, konti lang. Siguro mga 1 teaspoon. Tama na yan. So, yan. So, yan. Halo lang siya ng konti. And then, yan. Keep stirring po. See? Mabango na siya. So, probably just wait like mga 5 minutes. So, and then, wait for 5 minutes. So, takpan po uli. Mga probably like 3 to 5 minutes. So, yan guys. Probably after 2 to 3 minutes, now, lagay natin po yung carrots at saka yung, ano tawag, potato. So, lagay natin yan. Oops. Ayan. Oops. Tapos, ihalo lang po ng konti. Lagay natin. So, see? Mukhang masarap na siya kasi naamoy ko yung aroma ng ginger at saka yung lemongrass. Ang bango. Yan. And then, hindi ko na po siya tatakpan. So, probably you just wait like for maybe 3 minutes, 3 to 5. So, you just estimate guys yung ano tawag, yung potato. Kasi before, nung ni-fry ko yung potato, it's not like really fully cooked. So, it's just like half cooked. So, just try to taste the potato, no, if pag medyo malambot na siya. So, yung chicken cook na siya. So, antayin nyo po ng konting mga 3 to 5 minutes. And then, it's ready to serve. And then, guys, lagay lang po ko ng konting pepper. And then, I'll just a little bit of salt. And lastly guys, lagay po natin yung pepper. So, lagay po natin itong last kasi para hindi siya ma-overcook yung bell pepper. So, I like sa pag nag-cook red pepper, no, kasi maganda ang textures tingnan. So, haluin na lang konti, like mga 1 to 2 minutes. Luto na to siya and ready to serve. So, masarap siya guys, no? It's look like a taste like a restaurant. So, I'm sure you will like it, this one. So, I love to cook food. So, I love to experiment some different kind of foods. Lalo na pag from the other country. No, it's good to explore cooking. So, yan. So, luto na yan guys. So, I'm gonna transfer this sa lalagayan and ready to serve. So, it's good to serve with rice. So, ito na guys. I just transfer yung chicken curry sa lalagayan. So, it's look like, yummy, no? Ang sarap ng amoy ng smoke ng lemongrass at saka yung curry paste at saka yung tumeric. So, tikman nga natin ng konti. Sarap siya guys. It tastes like a restaurant. So, hope you like my vlog. Hope you like our vlog. So, until next time guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Until next time, bye!